How to get military discount on YouTube TV. The first things first is access YouTube TV's official site or through their mobile application. And once you're here, all you have to do is to submit your current zip code first. Take note that YouTube TV will not operate if you're currently outside US. Well, in that case, then you'll have to use a VPN. And from here, you'll just have to click on sign in or to choose on a specific offer that you would like to have your military discount applied. Now once you tap on adding offers here, there will be an offers as well on what specific feature you'd like to that specific offer. So in that case, you'll have to get your military documents ready or prepared for you to be able to upload those documents and for you to be able to be eligible with the military discount on YouTube TV. So that's basically it. That's how you get military discount on YouTube TV.